दोस्तों, भारत और चीन के बीच एक बार फिर से विवाद बढ़ता दिख रहा है क्योंकि चीन अपनी नापाक हरकतों से बाज नहीं आ रहा है।
दरअसल हुआ यूं कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश की रहने वाली एक भारतीय महिला ने शंघाई एयरपोर्ट पर हुई बदसलूकी की शिकायत की थी। चीन ने उनके भारतीय पासपोर्ट को अवैध घोषित करते हुए अरुणाचल प्रदेश को चीन का हिस्सा बताया था। उन्होंने चीनी पासपोर्ट के लिए अप्लाई करने को कहा था। इस भारतीय महिला को शंघाई एयरपोर्ट पर 18 घंटे रोके रखा। पहले इस भारतीय महिला का बयान सुन लीजिए।
I am an Indian citizen residing in UK for about 14 years. And I was traveling on my holiday from London Gatwick to Japan via a transit in Shanghai. And basically, I went past the e-gates, happily queuing up for the security gates to transfer onto my next flight onto Osaka in Japan. And one of the officials from the Chinese immigration came over and singled me out of the queue, basically said, look, India, took my name and something and took me out. So I asked her what is happening, and she basically didn't say much and just basically asked me to follow her. Took me close to the e-gates where there is the immigration the manual counters for the immigration, and then she went on to say, Arunachal, not India, China, your visa not acceptable, your basically passport is invalid. Very confusing moment, obviously, because never heard of that before. We obviously are a proud Indian citizens, all residents of Arunachal Pradesh. And basically, she wouldn't give me an explanation. She wouldn't let me go back into the queue, said you cannot board the plane. Then other officials came. So actually, I probably interacted with around 10 other immigration officers. So another lady came, took me to another part of the airport. And in fact, when I tried to question them and ask them what was the issue, they said, Arunachal is not part of India, very clearly. And they said, you should apply, and started mocking and laughing and saying things like, you should apply for Chinese passport. You're Chinese, you're not Indian. Some mockery around there. Then basically they took me to the transfer desk of China Eastern, which is next to an immigration desk. And they would just keep basically sending me from one desk to the other. So if I ask the Chinese airline, they tell me to go to the immigration tells me to go to them. And they basically didn't give me a straight answer. I said, where is the law? What rights have you got to hold me back here? So ultimately, it took about 18 hours for me to get out of Shanghai. What is shocking to me is I have, in fact, transited through Shanghai in the past, a year ago, with no issues at all. In fact, the first time that I ever transited through China.
हालांकि इन आरोपों को चीन ने खारिज कर दिया है। इसके साथ ही चीन के विदेश मंत्रालय ने एक बार फिर अरुणाचल प्रदेश पर बीजिंग का विवादित दावा दोहराया है। अब जरा चीन का वो बयान सुन लीजिए, अरुणाचल प्रदेश को लेकर क्या कह रहा है।
First of all, Zangnan is China's territory. China never acknowledges the so-called Arunachal Pradesh illegally set up by India. As for the individual case you mentioned, we've learned that during the whole process, China's border inspection authorities have gone through the whole process in accordance with laws and regulations and had just enforcement and fully protected the lawful rights.
विदेश मंत्रालय की तरफ से कहा गया कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश भारत का इलीगल सेटअप है। चीन उसे भारत का हिस्सा नहीं मानता। चीन ने अरुणाचल प्रदेश को जांगनान का हिस्सा बताया।
चीन के इस बयान के बाद भारत और चीन में एक बार फिर से तनाव बढ़ना तय है। हालांकि इस पूरे विवाद पर भारत ने चीन को मुंहतोड़ जवाब दिया है। भारत के विदेश मंत्रालय ने कहा है कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश भारत का अभिन्न और अविभाजित हिस्सा था, है और रहेगा।